Hello, sixth graders. This is Mrs. Bowman, one of the math teachers for sixth grade. I'm going to talk to you today quickly about your CDT. This is the name of the benchmark that we use for math at the middle school. Last year, as fifth graders, you took your iReady benchmark. So I'm going to walk you through how to log into this because this is one of your assignments for the week. This link will either be emailed to you. It will also be posted on our weekly agenda, which is on Canvas. So all you have to do is click on the link. It does say here to make sure you have your username and password ready. Your username and password will be emailed to you from your math teacher. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. All you have to do is type in your username and password. It is case sensitive, so please make sure if there are capital letters or things like that on the username or password that was sent to you, you do type it exactly as is. If you hit sign in and it doesn't work, please do not email your teacher immediately. Try it again, and maybe even 3 or 4 times. Every student who has difficulty signing in is only because they are not typing the username or password correctly. So please look at it carefully. When you do have it in and you click sign in and it moves you forward, the next screen should look like this. Read over this information and just make sure everything looks accurate. The test session should have your math teacher's name. This is Mrs. Wanamaker, one of the 7th grade teachers. So it should have your math teacher's name here. Okay, so if all this looks correct, you just hit continue. The test that you are taking is for math grades 6 through 8, so you select that. Once you select that, it will take you to this screen. It's telling you to read these directions carefully before beginning your test. So take a minute to kind of read over what's on the page. And when you are ready, you hit begin the test. Before you're ready to start, please make sure you do have your notebook paper or scrap paper, pencil, and your laptop is fully charged and ready to go. When you hit start test, it will take you to your first question. Right up here, it tells you the question number you're currently working on. Couple notes here. Take your time. This is a benchmarking tool that your math teacher uses just to kind of get an idea of your math level. Okay, entering sixth grade, kind of where are you right now as a math student? So please take your time and take it seriously. Read each question carefully. Use these tools that are at the top of the page. If you take your cursor and you scroll over each of these, it will tell you what it's used for. I would say the one that you will probably use the most is the calculator. This is the calculator button. So if you click that, a calculator app will actually appear right here. And then obviously make sure you use your scrap paper. Do not just read the question and take a random guess and move on. The system will actually recognize if you are moving too quickly and just guessing. And if that occurs, you end up having a test that kind of has to get thrown out and you have to restart it anyway. There are 50 some questions on our benchmark. We expect you to do this over 2 days, which means on the first day of taking it, maybe try to get to about question 25 to 30, somewhere in that range. Once you hit that point, you are allowed to stop for the day. To stop, you can come down to just pause, and then I believe you can just exit out of it. It does save anything that you have done. So even if your laptop dies or your internet crashes and you totally feel like you've lost it all, it will still be there. It does save. So every time you hit next to move to the next question, it will save the previous question. Okay, so if you have any questions throughout trying to take this or having trouble logging in and accessing it, please email your math teacher directly. Okay, good luck.